Guys, today we are back again playing Pokemon Cloud White version. I'm not gonna say the version, obviously, the version is too big for me to say. Okay, and I was saying, yeah, I think we lost against the battle. Lost the battle against Ace 2. So let's see if he's still there. I don't remember if we won or if we lost. I'm gonna stay very, very honest. And let's just save here. Yeah, I think we won the battle against Ace 2. Okay, Houndoom. No. No, I actually don't need Hunter. What just happened? Okay. Let me just move it to here. Okay. Nice, we got away safely. And if we didn't get away safely, would have just needed to kill that Hunter. So guys, we'll train our Pokemon a bit right now. I don't think there is a water type and a fire type Pokemon both in this game, so yeah, you know what I'm talking about, guys. So now let's go on to see what we get in the bushes. Pikachu? I already have Pikachu at Zenitsu. Let's just... No, he might be able to paralyze us. That isn't gonna do almost... Wow, that did a lot of damage. Didn't expect that at all. I actually didn't expect that at all. Okay. Larvitar... No, we don't need Larvitar. We ain't gonna need Larvitar, man. K is only level 9. And this video is gonna be fully about leveling our Pokemon up. Yeah, these are the Pokemon whom I want to fight against to level up. Might even want to go in the Viridian Forest to fight some Pokemon. Trainers. Yeah, I think we will go in the Viridian Forest today. And how much? Oh, sadly, we are not that strong right now. Rage! Nice, Tomioka. But Tomioka is a calm dude, so we'll remove that move, obviously. And I was saying that I need to level up my... what was its name? Yeah, Tanjiro, sorry, Tanjiro. I need to level up Tanjiro. And this idiotic... What shall I call this thing? This K is not okay, you know. I'm not okay with K being in my team. Oh, another Pokemon. Oh, sorry, my bad. My bad, very, very bad. By mistake, thought the health was very low, but the health is still very high. So now, let's use another Vine Whip here. Oh, why did I use Vine Whip? I'm an idiot. I am, but I'm... I don't know what I'm saying, guys. Okay, now let's go. I don't know what to do. I have literal no clue. And... Yikes. No, not another tackle. Oh, thank God. I thought it was done for. Okay, now nice. Let's throw another Pokeball and hope that it comes in. Nope. It's like, nope, I'm not gonna come in. But you'll need to, Bulbasaur. Your time is gonna come. You will need to come in. It's a compulsory. We're gonna name you Kanao, so you'll need... What? I've left it at so low health. Why isn't it coming in? I will treat you very nicely, Bulbasaur, and you must believe me in that. Come on. Let's go! We actually caught Kanao. Why am I calling it Kanao? We actually caught Bulbasaur, and now we're gonna name it Kanao. Okay, alright. Okay, I don't care. Tomioka gained 22 XP. I do care about that. Okay, now our team is gonna look good with no, we had this useless Pokemon in the team now. That guy is gonna be removed. Our starter Pokemon is gonna be removed. And you will be like, I am so cruel, but no, I am not cruel. By mistake named it Kanan. Kana, oh, nice. Nice guys, nice, very very nice. Okay. Alright now. Naja, please heal our Pokemon up now. We after this, what am I saying? I don't know, but after this, we are gonna go to the Viridian Forest, I guess. No, I think we'll level up our Charmander a bit for that. What do you say? Yeah, we shall level up our Charmander a bit before going in the Viridian Forest. I need to withdraw. Oh, sorry, deposit. My bad. Okay, we need to deposit K. K, you were a good friend to us. Box 1, go in box 1. And now our team looks a bit better. I don't know why I'm saying that. Yeah, alright. What happened to my controls? Now start. My controls aren't working weirdly. Pokemon. And yes, we are gonna take the Tomioka, the XP share from Tomioka. Yite. And we're gonna give it to Tanjiro. Oh, sorry. And item give. Not Pokeball, obviously. XP share to Tanjiro. And yes, we are may not be selling the XP share because it's a dope item. I mean, why would we sell it? Tomioka, do you have any move like Water Gun or something? Yeah, you do have Water Gun. So we're gonna try to find some Pokemon like, you know what I mean, who are fire type or Water Gun is gonna be effective on them. Not the type of Pokemon I was finding, but alright. We are gonna show how powerful Tomioka is against this guy. Okay. Growl isn't gonna do anything to us, Bulbasaur. Tomioka is gonna win. Tomioka. Come on, Tomioka. Come on, you. Nice. Oh, that guy was very weak. Okay, Tanjiro is nearly level 6 now. So we needed to unlock Ember, and it's gonna be very OP if it unlocks Ember. Okay, so now let's go. Actually, we don't need Squirtle. Okay, and then I think we're alright with Tomioka. Yeah, we don't need the water Tanjiro. Okay, I think we have one Pokemon to catch in Viridian Forest too. That is gonna be a, which shall I catch? Weedle or a Caterpie? Yeah, Caterpie, I guess. Yeah, Caterpie is gonna represent Shinobu Kocho. And what am I thinking right now? I don't know what I'm thinking, guys. But okay, Tomioka gained 23 XP. Tanjiro grew to level 6. Nice, good work, Tanjiro. I mean, what shall I say now? I mean, Tomioka is doing all the work, but good work, I guess. Good work. Yeah, Tomioka is actually doing all the work. This is like the starting of the Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba / Demon Slayer. Yeah, and we are getting very good at this game. We are amazing. We were started as both. Now we are gods. Yes, level 9 Tomioka. Why did I just call Tomioka in a weird way? Okay, Tomioka is now level 9. Uh, as strong as a starter Pokemon, which we don't need, obviously. Pokemon Center. Yes, Nurse Joy, please heal a Pokemon up. We need to get Tanjiro Ember. That's gonna be like Hinokami of his. And when he will become a Charizard or Charmeleon, the flamethrower will become the Hinokami Kagura. Okay, yeah, this shiny looks so good. I'm not gonna lie. Not lying at all, guys. This looks amazing. Tomioka looks amazing. Not even kidding. He looks like a rich. All I can say is rich guy. Don't know why, but okay. Now let's catch this Bulbul. No, we're not gonna catch this Bulbasaur. My bad. And this and I was saying let's kill this Bulbasaur and move ahead. Yeah, and as I said, this episode is gonna be all about leveling our Pokemon up. So that's what we are doing right now. Okay, Tanjiro, and in the next episode we are gonna fight. What shall we say? I think it's Brock or Pierre, whatever its name is in this game. Yeah, the one was pretty normal Pokemon Cloud White version 825, which I played. It was a custom with everything the same. Only the gym leaders' name were different. One Misty, one Pierre, and all that. That's all I can say. All that. Did Tanjiro have an Ember? I don't remember if he did or if he didn't. And this is definitely not the Pokemon Tomioka wants to be fighting against. Okay. Oh no, this is actually not good. Oh no, Tomioka hang in there. Oh no, that's not a good. That's pathetic for us. Find a Pikachu at this time. Have you learned Ember, Tanjiro? So if you have, we can go in the. Yes, good work, Tanjiro. So now let's go in the Viridian Forest. This episode is gonna be big because we are obviously leveling our Pokemon up a lot. Not kidding, a lot. We'll currently give it to Kano, I guess. Yeah, Kano, I think will be good. And switch, and let's do this before going into the Viridian Forest. And then before we go there, old man is gonna talk nonsense, which we don't want him to. Shut up. Let us just go. We don't need anything like this. We have caught like 10 Pokemon. No, I'm just kidding. Not 10 Pokemon. Not 10 Pokemon, but we have caught some Pokemon. And all, but we haven't caught 10 Pokemon till now. What am I saying? I have repeated that a lot of times, I know. Yeah, and key item socket TCTV. Yeah, we're just gonna sell that if we can. I think we can sell that in this game. Or in this game, everything is just weird, so I think that would be a weird thing too. So I'm just gonna take a gamble and say that we can sell it. Okay, we don't need an Ampharos, so let's just ignore him and go into the Viridian Forest. Can't wait to fight so many Pokemon trainers. Alright, itching to get in battle, that's the thing I want to hear, man. Cause they will be feeling itchy after I beat them. I don't know what that means, but okay. Alright, now Larvesta is... Oh, that's actually not good. Larvesta is actually a big threat. Larvesta is a colossal threat, man. He's a big threat. He is all I can say is he is like bug and fire type. So that's not good for us. I'm just gonna beat this Larvesta. And I hope there's Not another Pokemon coming like Larvesta. Which, no, thank God, Caterpie. We're gonna beat Caterpie in no time. Each. Caterpie is like, what did I do to deserve this? I didn't know what you did. Ask your trainer. Okay, Kana gained 33 XP. Did he just say can't hack it? If I read the lines, which, yeah, let's just ignore that. Yeah, we better ignore that. Okay, now who are you again? Oh, weird name, bug catcher. Okay, I don't know why I called him weird name bug catcher. Okay, now Kana should be level 7. Yes, and Leech Seed, nice. Weedle, no, yeah, Weedle is weak. Weedle is very, very, very weak. Like one of the weakest Pokemon in this whole world. In the next episode, we are gonna beat the Pier or Brock. And that episode is gonna be very amazing, I hope. Because I don't think Brock should be easy. Yeah, I don't think Brock should be easy at all in this game. Okay, so antidote, nice. I would actually need that if some bug type infects my Pokemon. So yes, I'm here to fight you, brother. I might be, yeah, I won't go easy on you. I'll beat all your Pokemon. And now let's beat its Caterpie. Nice. Now let's beat, who's he sending next? Whoever he's sending next is gone. Another Caterpie? Bro, you're boring. Okay, now, nice. We're almost level 10. Wow. Okay. Our Pokemon are leveling up like crazy. They're being madmans. I think this should be the second or last trainer. Second last or last. Okay, Caterpie. We're actually gonna do that. So this episode was all about leveling our Pokemon up. Till now, we are obviously gonna level our Pokemon up a bit more. I guess, yeah, a bit more. Yes, I obviously knew that Pokemon evolve. Okay, Bugcatcher Charlie, nice. Charlie kind of reminds me of a ghost, so I'm not gonna talk about it. Okay, so he sent out a sent out a Metapod, and that guy is already gone. Dead, मर गया. चलो, let's go. Caterpie, this guy is also dead. Okay, 39. And was it a Metapod? Yep, Metapod. And I think the last trainer's Pokemon should have last trainer should have Pokemon who both are level 9 and 2 Pokemon. So that's actually gonna be good to level a Pokemon up. Okay, and this episode is going actually very good. No kidding. I'm actually not kidding. This episode is going amazing. Okay, Caterpie. I don't care. Die here. That was actually a good phrase. No, it wasn't. I'm just kidding. Guys, on this channel there's a lot of JK. So, okay. He only has one Pokemon. Are you kidding me? And also Weedle. It's not gonna level up Pokemon up a bit. Weakling. You weakling. Little weakling. At least Tanjiro grew to level 11. That's good, I guess. Okay, and we're not gonna be going in Pewter City this episode. So, let's just train our Pokemon a bit. Vulpix! Wait, watch. I thought this was like only on Route 1. I didn't wait, what? Guys, my mind is... I don't know what to say. This game is just insane. Kikuna. Oh yeah, and we also need to catch a Caterpie and need to level it up. Which is gonna be a very difficult task. To level up a Caterpie. Is Kanao level 11? No, I don't think so. So let's just go all the way through this. And I think I'm going the right way. I think I'm pretty much going the right way. So now, Caterpie, yeah, let's just scratch it and hope it will come in a Pokeball. String shot. Come on, Caterpie, please come. I only have 2 Pokeballs left. No kidding. I only have 2 Pokeballs left. 1, 2, come on. Oh no. My heartbeat is like so fast right now. Please, God, help me. God, please, please, please. Let's go! Yeah, guys, we got a Caterpie, and now we'll name it Shinobu Kocho. Okay, yes. Yes, 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 yes. We're gonna name it Shinobu. Okay, nice. And there is gonna be a gameplay in which we are gonna be making her. What shall I call it? 12 keys, kind of 12 Kizuki, I guess. Yeah, upper 6. Strong upper 6. I think should be upper 6. Yeah. Yeah, that was a weird sentence or phrase, whatever you want to call it. Alright. I'm not a scary guy, to be honest. I never scare anybody. Okay. Oh, nice. And remember that I said scared, but I do troll people. Oh, I didn't realize a thing. No, that's just the same from Pokemon Fire Red. Okay, now I think the map is same of Pokemon Fire Red. If I'm right, it should be the same. Okay, now let's just beat this Bulbasaur and heal up our Pokemon a bit. Cause then, what shall I say? They're in a bad state, is all I can say. We need to now level up Zenitsu. I think it's still level 5. Pokemon. Yeah, Zenitsu is still level 5. All of these guys are leveled up. I was thinking of getting our every Pokemon to level 13, I guess. Yeah, 13, and then in the next video beat the Pewter City gym leader with these. Okay, only 28% charging left. No, okay, I think that should be enough. Okay, now the stream is about to end very quick. Are my Pokemon healed? Yeet. Okay, now let's go in the bushes. This was a big episode for only training Pokemon, but I know. Railu? Yeah, I guess that's... I don't know. I do have Railu, right, in my team. Cause we need to keep it as the, Gyomei. You know who Gyomei is? One of the strongest Demon Slayers and the strongest Hashira of all. Wow, I don't have... that proves how careless I am. Let me just check how much Kana was. Oh, let's just do a bit more and then we'll take the expedition. Well, we need to catch a Railu and level it up too now. That's gonna be a big problem. And I think we shall start the Putricity gym battle in the end of this episode. What you say? Okay. We are actually gonna leave the game in the Putricity gym. Nice, Kana upgraded to level 11. Now let's just check the XP share. Give it to Zenitsu. XP share. Here you go, Zenitsu. Now you're gonna be a big boy. Big and strong. Colossal. Starch. Actually, let's keep in Tomioka for a bit right now. Tanjiro, that's enough. Yeah, come back. You better come back. Now this is like Demon King Tanjiro. No, it's not. Not at all. Water gun, one shot, guys. One shot. Nice. Strong, Tomioka, strong. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's go to the Pewter Gym, and let's finish the episode over there. Okay, what you say? Okay, now let's just log out at the Pewter Gym. And if my audio is not good, then I will need to record this whole video again from the start. Yep, guys, from the start. Yes, from the start. So you know how hard it is to do YouTube. That's the reason mostly Ace is not starting a YouTube channel. This episode 2 was amazing, I guess. It's going good, I guess, till now, if my voice is coming. So then it's going good, but if it's not coming, it's going pathetic. Okay. Because sometimes my voice doesn't come and we need to record it all the way over again, break it, and that's the same thing in Minecraft too. We need to break the things and all that. Okay. And spinner rack, yeah, I don't think we're gonna need spinner rack. I think our team is strong enough to beat the Pewter gym leader. Yeah, it's definitely strong enough. Bellsprout? Nah. Okay. Yes, and we are gonna beat the gym trainer, obviously, cause we don't wanna fight him in the between of the episodes. Thank you for upgrading our Pokédex. Yeah, first let's go and beat that guy. I think we shall take out Tomioka for that battle. Tomioka and Kana will be needed for that battle. Okay, now let's go over there. And hello, gym leader. We are gonna be beating you in the next episode. So this is exactly the place where we are gonna log out. The start in the opening of the gym. Man, this Pokemon are high level. I knew I didn't do enough training. Oh, please keep doing defense curl. That will be very good for me. It will. It honestly will. What does rage do in fact? Rage. Tomioka used it. Oh, nice. Nice. That didn't do damage at all, if I say so myself. The rage is a pathetic attack. I'm gonna say that confidently. Oh no, we're dead. This episode might be almost fully half an hour. Yes, guys, almost exactly. Zenitsu is like almost level 7 right now, and now it's most probably going to be level 7. Why is his Pokemon one level higher than ours? I don't get it. Man, I hate this battle. I hate this one. We just gonna send out Kano and one shot this guy. Now you're fighting a left Pokemon with your same level, brother. Zenitsu gained 109 XP levels, right? So let's just heal up our Pokemon, and then we're gonna end this episode. And in next episode, we are gonna be reaching the Cerulean City uh, and beating Brock. I think his name is Brock in this game too. Yeah, most probably his name is Brock. He's like broccoli. I'm just kidding, guys. Just ignore me. Ignore me is all you can do. We shall end the episode here. Oh, sorry, not here. And guys, so we'll meet you in the next episode. And bye.